In this video, we will learn what is mean, mode, and what is median. What are the difference among them, and also what is the purpose of these three statistical measures. We will continue with our earlier example, where we were talking of height of students. And this time let us take class 11. So height of students of class 11, and say there are 15 students. How many? 15. तो 15 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और उनकी हाइट, सपोज वी से स्टूडेंट नंबर and we put here like this, say 170 centimeter, there is only one student. 171 centimeter, suppose there is one more centimeter. 172, also one. 173, there are two students. 174, 1. This is height, and this is number of students. 175, 1. 176, there are 5. 177, 1. 178, 1, and 179, 1. So there are 15. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15. So total is 15. Now the first thing is average. Or the mean. Average is also called mean. And for finding the mean, what we have to do is we have to add up height of all the students. So this is 170, this is 171, this is 172, and here there are two students. So then the total height of the two students is 346. Here again there is 1, here again there is 1, and in this case there are 5, and the total height of 5 will be 176 multiplied by 5. So this will become 880, and this is 177, 178, and 179. So now if we add this plus this plus this plus this plus this, just add all of this, so we get a total of 2622 centimeters. So this is the height of all the 15 students put together. So the average will become 2622 divided by 15, and if we divide this, we will get a figure of 174.8 centimeter. So what is the average height of class 11 is 174.8. So the mean height is, so this we can say mean height of class 11. Now what is mode? Now let us look at what is mode. Now the mode is, if you see here, that for 170 there was only one student, for 171 there was only one student, but for 176 there were 5 students. So if you look at what is the most frequently occurring height, most frequently occurring height is 176 centimeter, and this is happening for 5 students. And the most frequently height is 176 centimeter, and this is called mode. So the mode is 176 centimeter. So for class 11, we are saying the mean is 174.8, whereas the mode is 176 centimeter. Now what is median? Now median is if we arrange all the students by ascending order of height, and then we take the student which is in the middle, the height of the student which is in the middle, then that will be the height for median. So in this case, if we arrange all the students and then we see, so I will have to now rub this portion, or let me see here. So I still have some space here. So we use the space above for understanding median. I'll take this color pen. तो मीडियन के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? We will have to arrange student in order. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th. So we will take like this. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. First one, what was the height? 171. Sorry, first is 170. Second one, 171. Third, 172. Fourth is here, 173. Fifth also is 173 because there are two students here. Then sixth is 174, 175. Then eighth is 176. Ninth is also 176. 10th is also 176. 11th is also 176. 12th is also 176. Then it is 177, 178, and 170. So this is the way we arrange. And after arranging it, we see which student is in the middle. So out of 15 students, then the middle student is number 8. So 7 are before, 7 are after. So this student is in the middle. Now this student's height is 176 centimeter, and that is the median. Median is so what is median? Median is the middle value. Median is middle value. Middle value. Median is middle value, and the middle value is 176.8. So median is middle value. So if there are 15 students, then the middle is 8. But if there are 16 students, then what is middle? If there are 16 students, then the middle is 7 before and 7 after. And number 8 and number 9 will be middle. So in that case, the middle will be number 8 and number 9. So if there are even number of students, then there will be 2 middles. And therefore, statistically, if we want to calculate the median, in that situation, we will take the average of these 2 middle value. So the basic principle is, if it is odd number of students, in case of median, we will take the middle value, which is very straightforward because there is only one middle value. And if there is even number of students, then we will take the 2 middle values and take the average of the 2 middle values. So let us recapture what is mean, what is mode, and what is median. So I basically write again for summarizing. So mean is the average. Mean is sum of all readings divided by number of readings. So in this case there were 15 students, so we took height of all the 15 students and divided by the 15 students. Then mode is most frequently occurring value. So in this case it was 5 and the corresponding value was 176 centimeter. And median, what is median? Median is the middle value. And middle value we have to arrange in the ascending order all the students, in this case because we are taking height of the students, starting from the smallest student to the tallest, the one which is the having the small to the tall. So the smallest coming first, second, third, like this, all the 15th, and the middle in case of 15 is student number 8th. And if there would have been 16 students, then we would have taken 8 and 9, 8 and 9, and we would have taken the average of 8 and 9. And why we need these three things, mean, mode and median? So these are all three are measure of central tendencies of a group. So it is like something which is telling about the group as a whole. So mean is giving us the average, mode is giving the most frequently occurring value, and median is giving the value of the middle positioning. So all three are measure of central tendency, means what is the central to the group as a whole. So this is a measure of central tendency. It's a measure of central tendencies of the group as a whole. So it's a measure of group as a whole. So if we also look at the range, although the group has a range from 172 to 179. So the tallest boy is 179, the tallest student is 179, and the smallest is only 170. So this is the whole range. So sometimes we also specify range, which is 170 to 179 centimeter. But then we can say the average is, mean is in this case was 174.8, and the mode was 176, and this middle value median was also 176. So if you really see it, that all three are not very far, they are quite close. So when we are talking of a group, then these three measures are used, but then which measure is more accurate or more representative will depend upon how the group variation is there. If the variation is uniformly distributed, means there is a uniform distribution, then all three measure will give us something very similar. But if the distribution is not uniform, I mean we have tall students and we have many tall students but a very few small students, then the distribution is called skewed, and the skewed distribution we have to see where mean is more appropriate or mode is more appropriate or median is more appropriate. So that is something which we learn in class 10. At this stage we need to only understand that these are the three measure of central tendencies of a group, and depending on whether we want, I mean all three are relevant. The only thing is for their relevance will, which one is more relevant depends upon sometime the group behavior. But for our class at this stage, what we need to learn is, okay, what is mean, what is mode, what is median, and how to calculate each of them for the given observations. Thank you.